Hello world, welcome back to the Furman Chrysler dealership in beautiful Lutz, Florida. I'm Jason Speed and I'm excited to take a closer look at the 2023 Chrysler Pacifica. This is a family-friendly minivan packed with advanced safety features that focus on your well-being and peace of mind. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 safety features of this impressive vehicle. When you think safety, you have to think airbags. At number 5, we're talking about the advanced multi-stage airbag system in the Chrysler Pacifica. Right up front on the dash, you have multi-stage airbags that deploy according to the individual weight of whoever's in that seat. So if you have different driver and passenger weights, one's not going to be overpowered by the pressure of the other. You have knee blocker airbags that deploy down below the dash that prevent you from sliding forward, where damage is typically concentrated in a front-end collision. For side impacts, we're going to have side curtain airbags on both the B and C pillar. You're also going to have curtain airbags that deploy out of the seat. Now this is a dual function airbag, dual airbags, dual function. You'll have the airbags that deploy the curtain airbags that's going to prevent head trauma, and then the seat airbags that's going to deploy to prevent glass shards from hitting you in the face or cutting you. At number 4, we have the forward collision warning with active braking. Safety is a top priority for Chrysler, and this feature reduces the risk of frontal collision. If the Pacifica detects an imminent collision with the vehicle ahead, it will alert the driver with visual and audible warnings, and if necessary, the system can even apply the brakes to avoid or mitigate the impact. At number 3, we have the 360-degree surround view camera. Now, parking, maneuvering in tight spaces can be a daunting task, especially if you have kids on board. However, the Pacifica has you covered. With its comprehensive 360-degree camera system, it provides a bird's eye view of your vehicle, making it easy to navigate tricky spots and avoid obstacles. Coming in at number 2 is the Lane Sense, Lane Departure Warning, and Lane Keep Assist system. This smart feature helps prevent unintentional lane drifts by providing visual and audible warnings when you start to veer out of your lane without signaling. Additionally, the Lane Keep Assist system will gently nudge the steering wheel, keeping you centered on your lane, making highway driving safer and more comfortable. The number 1 on the list is the Adaptive Cruise Control with Stop and Go. This innovative system uses radar and cameras to monitor the traffic ahead and automatically adjust your speed to maintain a safe following distance. Pacifica's Adaptive Cruise Control ensures a safe, secure, and stress-free driving experience. So there you have it, the top 5 safety picks of the new Chrysler Pacifica. From the Adaptive Cruise Control to the advanced multi-stage airbags, Pacifica is a minivan that has a lot to offer families seeking something safe and reliable. If you'd like to see just how safe this van is on a test drive, you gotta ask for Speed. Come see us on our showroom on State Road 54 in Lutz, or give me a call. Our phone number's on the screen. Look forward to hearing from you soon. See you next video.